Everyone, myself Sushri, and today we are going to present a group project titled Voice Automated Car using Arduino. This project has been successfully designed and developed by me and my team members Tanushrima, Pragya, Adyasha, Leeman Lisa, and Partha. In the modern world, automation and voice control technology are playing a very important role in making systems smarter and more user friendly. Our project is a small step towards this future. The main aim of our project is to design a car that can be controlled using voice commands instead of manual control. By giving voice instructions through a mobile phone using Bluetooth, the car performs actions like moving forward, backward, left, right, and stopping.
Now let us see the list of components: Arduino Nano, Bluetooth module, DC gear motors, wheels, motor driver, breadboard, rechargeable battery, battery holder, power switch, jumper wires, chassis, miscellaneous components like screws. Now let us see how the Bluetooth is connected to the
First, we'll
Arduino.
open the Arduino Bluetooth control app and then go to the connections, and we'll connect it with the HC05, that is the name of the device. It's connected to the HC05, and then we'll go to the voice terminal to give voice commands. When I start giving voice commands, forward, stop, backward, stop, left, stop, right, stop. So I conclude that in the near future, other features can be added to make this system smarter.